Hello everyone, it's Colette, and for day 9 in my 12 Days of Christmas series, we're going to be working on the Sugarplum Princess design. If you love nail art, be sure you're subscribed to my channel, My Simple Little Pleasures, and if you'd like to see how I did this, just stay tuned. Starting out with clean dry nails, I'm going to begin with a base coat. Today I'm using Holo Peely Base. You can use whichever is your personal favorite. The polishes that I'm going to be using today are Holo Not Milky White, along with Polar Princess, and then for the stamping I'm going to be using Orly Taffy to Be Here, as well as Check Yes or No, and then back to Holo for Feeling Feindish, as well as Nightshade. For today's stamping, I'm going to be using the MoYou London Holy Shapes Collection 10 plate, and I'm going to be using this round kind of gradient circle design here. I'm going to be applying all 4 colors to the plate, then quickly scraping across, picking it up on my nail, and stamping it, picking it up on my stamper, and stamping it onto my nail. Once I'm done stamping, I'm going to move on to cleanup. I'm going to use a Q-tip for any overstamp, and then I'm going to move in closer with my usual small brush dipped in acetone. Once I'm done with cleanup, I'm going to finish with a top coat, and as usual, I'm using Seche Vite. So here's the finished manicure, and I'm pretty pleased with how this turned out. I went back and forth a little bit on what color to use as the base for the stamping, but since I was using sort of a delicate design, I think the white really let the stamping colors show better than some of the colored options I was considering. I do want to give you guys some flashlight time so you can appreciate the shimmer. And if you'd like to see the extended tutorial, that will be up tomorrow. Or if you'd like to join me live for nail art, you can come follow over at twitch.tv/Colette MSLP. And if you'd like to support me here on YouTube, you can join the channel as a member for some perks like emoji. I'd love to hear what you guys think of this down in the comments. I hope you all enjoyed, and if you did, I hope you'll leave a thumbs up. And of course, as always, thanks for watching.